Hey friends, hope you are doing well. I am Mayuri and I am lifestyle expert at Digiroo. Today I have an exciting news for all the PUBG lovers watching this video. Some months ago the game getting banned in Indian server and Google Play Store in India. Whatever the reason behind game getting banned, but it definitely hurts the sentiments in larger number of youth crowd as well as married couple too. Well, the good news is the game is in talks to make comeback in India as Indian developer have cracked a deal with Microsoft to host PUBG on its server. Hope all goes well. But till then, here are 5 games which you can try until PUBG arrives back.
The first on the list has to be the major PUBG rival Free Fire. The best alternative to PUBG is undoubtedly Free Fire. It has pretty much everything which you are already familiar with if you were a PUBG fan. The best part is it does not bother your phone storage much as it's 700 MB game compared to PUBG which was 1.2 GB. The graphics are great, weaponry is vast with good amount of attachment option, lot of characters with different abilities to choose from. You also have option to try your warfare skills in different modes including training mode. Overall, currently Free Fire is hands down the top alternative to PUBG. Next on the list is Call of Duty Mobile. If you are serious about mobile shooter games, you are definitely going to love COD Mobile. There are lot upsides in Call of Duty like graphics are better, weapons are available easily, overall gameplay is better. It also comes with bonus feature auto fire which enables you to simply aim the opponent while the feature take care of the trigger work. Next game is Fortnite. Fortnite is sort of fantasy shooter game with unrealistic weapons and concept. Rest of the game in this list is primarily loot and fire games. What makes Fortnite different is its crafting elements which lets player build walls, traps and even weapons. It's largely strategy based with more fun rather than serious shooting oriented. However, the graphics are very detailed and hence you need to have a high powered smartphone to be able to play. Fourth one is Battlelands Royale is the next game on our list which you can play if you are still not that crazy about the shooter games but still have a bit of urge somewhere to try. The concept is simple, it's a basic game with 32 players and each match timed about 3 to 5 minutes. Weaponry is moderate and character customization option nil, but it's a light game where you can either participate solo or join forces with partner in duo mode. Just choose a spot to land, pick up weapons, armors and face enemies. Here is last game is Pixels Unknown Battleground is mirror duplicate of PUBG with the only difference is that it uses a Minecraft style pixel graphic style which makes the game and characters look well cartoonistic. The customization and control options, vehicle and weaponry however remain very similar to the original game. Overall, if you have not got over PUBG yet, this is the best alternative for you.
So guys, these were some of the shooting games which you can try as alternative to PUBG. These are strictly categorized depending upon the preference of the player. Some of us may be hardcore player who would like to enjoy Free Fire or COD mod. Others who just want to have fun. Those who can try lighter options such as a Battlelands Royale or Pixel Unknown Battleground. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share our videos. Thank you so much.